Hi guys, this is Danish today on Danny Two Kings McCoy channel. I just wanted to tell you that how do you make egg omelet or anything that has to do with eggs. So today, first you want to do is burn the stove. You don't want to do it too much. Try to leave it on 2. The next thing you want to do is you want to get out a pan, obviously. I'm gonna look for a pan in this apartment. That's it. Once you rinse the pan, you want to make sure it looks all clean. Put it in here. Then you want to get some eggs. Now, if you want to eat healthy like me, you want to work out, enjoy your life, and stay for a long term, you should always get healthy eggs. Now, I believe 1 is not enough, so 2 would be good enough. You got 2 eggs, that's good. So again, same thing. Doesn't matter where it is, how long it's there for. You always want to wash it. You're good to go. Show you in just a couple of minutes. Stir it a little bit, you know. What you want to do is add a little bit of salt and pepper on there as well. So I got a little bit of salt here. Got a little bit of pepper. Seeing if everything is ready or not. Looks pretty good.